Welcome to this episode. We're leaving Langkawi and we're going to Koh Lipi. We arrived on the beach straight away and it feels incredible to be here. I want to thank everybody for the comments on the last video. We made a massive loss in the last episode, but in this one we made it all back and more. The footage was shortened because I had some recording issues, but you will see most of the trades. Before that, let's just watch this beautiful sunset and get started with this episode. Alright guys, I just realized that my camera wasn't switched on for most of the trades, but basically this is what we have. We have 1.7. We made some profit earlier, but while I was out, one of the trades hit stop loss. That was gold. I re-entered it right around here. I would like to scale it up a little bit more. Euro USD is coming along nicely. These candles seem a little bit weak, but I think it's going to be alright. Now I did see an opportunity with US 30. And let me just see guys, because I'm looking for a short actually. So I'm going to short right now and I'm going to scale up one lot positions for the short. Gradually I'm going to scale this up. Here you see me making profit with the Euro USD trade. I saw gold pumping as well, so I took profit on that position as well. Later I scaled up Dow Jones. All trades went into profit. It did go into drawdown first. It was pretty heavy drawdown, but in the end we ended up pretty much exactly where we left off before taking that massive loss with a 3.4% gain. Now in the morning I did a few really small lot positions. I did one lot on Euro USD short and I did a half a lot on gold short, and both of them ended up going into profit. Not a massive profit, but then I started scaling up the gold trade because it did pump up back to our entry, and I got a pretty nice 0.5% gain from that as well. Just as I pressed record, it kind of shot up a little bit. I want to take profit on this position around 300. I'll just do it right now because we're 4% in profit now. Awesome. It's not even the London Open yet. London Open is about in 15 minutes. I'll maybe wait for the reaction after the London Open and see if I can catch a trade then. But we basically have more than we lost now. It's a little bump on the road, but we're 4% in profit. The hotel I'm staying at is 100 meters away from the beach. So I decided to go down there and have a little dip in the water since it takes 30 minutes to an hour for the market opening to have a reaction. It's incredible to be here, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. There was a nice breeze, the water is super clean. So after a little stroll on the beach, I decided to head back and take a shower and look at the next trade opportunity. I see an opportunity with Euro USD right now. It's almost oversold on the 1 hour time frame, and I am going to take this trade slowly with one lot first, and then I'm going to scale up to 2 lots, 3 lots. Alright guys, Euro USD spiked up quite a bit, so we took profit and we're at 5% profit now. Sorry that I couldn't record all of the trades the way I normally do, but obviously I'm traveling and it's a little bit difficult to do everything, but I hope you still enjoyed it. Guys, if you haven't done it yet, check out ForTraders.com. There's still a New Year sale going on, 15% off of the 5k to 100k accounts and 10% off the 200k accounts. I really like their trading conditions. Everything is done by the books. There's no artificial spreads or that kind of stuff. The fees are good as well, and you can customize these to your liking, so you can make them a bit cheaper if you like to make it a little bit more difficult for yourself. Tons of payouts already, 3 offices all around the world, and they're just great. So check them out in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.